All right. Are you a mobile product? Are you an app? Great, because we're about to talk about App Store optimization. Now, if you're not an app, this is still pretty relevant because it's our first search marketing lesson that we're going to talk about. So, App Store optimization is basically the organic work that you can do to make your app come up higher on relevant searches on the App Store. Now, there's two major app stores. Obviously, there's the Apple App Store for your iOS app, and then there's the Google Play Store. They're pretty much the same. There's different nuances, like different character limits, different idea and content for what you can post on the page, but the overall sentiment is the same. The most important thing is keyword relevance. So that's what we're going to start with. I want your app to come up for relevant searches, so we're going to start with solid keyword research. So what does that mean? That means you're not just on a whim picking it up and winging it what keywords you think are relevant to your business. I want you to be data-driven, as we've talked about with everything. So I want you to go to the internet and search for what is the best blend of keywords for you to focus on. Now, this is going to start by you just writing out tons of potential ideas. So maybe you have a brainstorm with your team. What keywords for our industry, for our market are really popular? And then you're going to go and you're going to fact check them with a couple of my favorite free tools, because you know I like stuff that's free. So you're going to end up finding a lot of ideas too, so don't beat yourself up if you don't have a team to work with you and the brainstorm's not really huge. So the first tool I want you to check is keyword.io. So keyword.io is a free tool where you can come up with all the potential keywords. So pick your list, figure out the best keywords, or the largest list of keywords you can find. Then you're going to move over to my next tool, which is the Google Keyword Planner. Another free tool. All you need is a Google account. And this tool, you can enter in those keywords. You can compare them. So for me, maybe I don't know if startups is better than startup, or marketing is better than digital marketing, or growth is better than marketing. How would I know which keyword to focus on for Andrew Startup's app if I had one? This tool will tell me. So I can compare up to 5 different keywords, and I can get data on monthly searches, competition, average cost per click. Now, what are you looking for across these metrics? So in my experience, the ideal keyword to focus on is one that is high in search traffic, low in competition, and low in cost per click. Now, you're not paying anything for these clicks because this is organic search, but that gives you an idea about how many other people are going to be competing with you for those keywords. Now, again, the Google Keyword Tool is not for the App Store, so it's giving you data on actual searches, but it's pretty similar. And on the keyword tool, keyword.io, you can actually search by the App Store. So it's showing you keyword recommendations for the App Store. Another thing you can do is go to your App Store and actually run the search for that and see who's coming up. How active are those businesses? How keyword dense is their App Store listing? If it's not very keyword dense, chances are that they've been coasting in free space up there for a long time, and I'm going to show you how to beat them. So now, I only want you to focus on 5 to 10 max key terms, we're going to talk about what you're going to do with those keywords in the next lesson. So your homework now is to go to those tools, come up with that keyword cloud, and then compare them all in that Google Keyword Planner tool to find the 5 to 10 key phrases that have the best blend of low competition and high search traffic. Okay, so get out there, find those keywords, and then come back and I'm going to show you what to do with them. See you in the next lesson.